We have the director at Mayo Clinic for the Alzheimer's Disease Research Center, who is also a featured rock star in the Geoffrey Beene Rock Stars campaign, Dr. Ron Petersen.
After that build-up, what a disappointment, huh? You got a guy who's several inches shorter than Dr. Noseworthy, less attractive, and not nearly as good a golfer as Dr. Noseworthy. So I apologize for that, but nevertheless, it's truly an honor. Thank you very much. And so I have some remarks that John had prepared for the presentation. He literally got to the airport this morning and became ill. Now you'd think a guy from the Mayo Clinic doesn't get sick, right? So the guy who leads the Mayo Clinic, when I get back, I'm going to ask him if he in fact got his flu shot or not. I have suspicions. But John wants to thank you so much for this tremendous honor. He'd like to thank, in particular, Mary and the Board of Directors of Research America for their tireless efforts as educators and advocates for research. Your leadership in supporting medical research has touched the lives of virtually every American. He'd like to also thank Tom and Mara Hutton and the Geoffrey Beene Foundation for the generously sponsoring the Geoffrey Beene Builders of Science Award. I'm honored to be delighted to accept this award on behalf of the researchers and physician scientists at the Mayo Clinic. This award recognizes those who have provided leadership and determination in building an outstanding scientific research organization. That's something that we've been doing at the Mayo Clinic for more than 150 years. To our founders, research was essential to our mission, and that remains the case today. Mayo's research is broad and deep, from leading the way in precision medicine to having more than 10,000 active clinical trials at any given time, in addition to improving diagnostic and treatment efforts for cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and countless other diseases. Mayo is committed to meeting the unmet needs of our patients through research. At a time of great change and many challenges in healthcare, Mayo Clinic's research budget, as Mara indicated, has tripled over the last 10 years. Our culture of discovery and innovation has merited funding from the National Institutes of Health, from the Department of Defense, from federal and state agencies, as well as industry. Those grants, along with revenue from the clinical practice, royalties, and philanthropy, has brought our research budget to over $700 million this year. This is an investment that reflects our commitment to our patients and to the science. This award honors the men and women of the Mayo Clinic who dedicate their lives to serving others and advancing the field of medicine. Thank you very much.